Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to talk about something really cool. Well, okay, let's get into the video. So in this video we're going to talk about the mouse, the Microsoft mouse, and it's a wireless one. As you can see, it doesn't have any wires connected. Anyways, let's get into the video. It doesn't require any pairing processes. It's basically like a wired mouse but without wires. I'm going to explain why. So first, you take your mouse, you flip it around, you open the back lid. So when you do that, you have the battery right here. Just before getting into any process, I just want to say this video is not sponsored. Okay, let's get back to it. And here, when you have the back lid, when you open the back lid, you have the battery, you have the Microsoft USB dongle. This is a thing that you are going to use. So if you connect it directly to your PC or computer, it's going to work like a mouse. You don't need any pairing process. You don't need to connect it like go to Bluetooth or anything. It's just going to work like a wired mouse. You just got to connect it to your PC and it's going to work perfectly fine. And what you got to do is you have to put the back lid on. And you obviously have to put a working battery in. So in my case, it's a AA battery, and I put it in, I turn it on, and you have the red LED, well, not LED, the sensor flashing, so which means the mouse is working. Then now you connect this to your laptop and it's ready to go. It's basically like a wired mouse. You connect it to your laptop and you use it. Well, this is wireless, and this is used like a USB dongle. And well, that's gotta be it for the video. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.